The DNA just simply shouldn't be there at all. And we know that one of those DNA sequences, the SV40, is associated with tumour formation. And we are going to be planning to talk to other cancer doctors as well who do have concerns. But enough concerns there to merit official answers from politicians and regulatory agencies as soon as possible. But in the meantime, I think we should exercise the precautionary principle and first do no harm. Let's wait and see. Given the reluctance to admit things over the past few years which may have been suboptimal, I'm not optimistic we'll get any firm answers soon. Which is sadly the information deficit we are currently living through. Thank you for watching.
Patients can now get treatment for 7 common conditions directly from their local pharmacy without the need for GP appointment or prescription.
This service will enable pharmacies to supply prescription-only medicines, including antibiotics and antivirals, where clinically appropriate.
The Pharmacy First scheme was launched by the government and NHS England on 31st January 2024 to give patients quick and accessible care and ease pressure on GP services.
More than 200 NHS pharmacies in Devon are now treating people with common conditions.
Highly trained pharmacists are able to assess and treat patients with sinusitis, sore throat,
earache,
infected insect bites, impetigo, shingles, and uncomplicated urinary tract infections in women under the age of 65 without the need for a GP appointment or prescription.
The major expansion of pharmacy services gives the public more choice in where and how they access care, aiming to free up 10 million GP appointments a year across the country.
It builds on the successful expansion of the contraceptive pill service in December 2023. More than 5,000 pharmacies now registered to offer women a chance to get a supply of oral contraception over the counter on their pharmacy without needing to see their GP first.
You can visit your local pharmacy without an appointment, or you may be referred by your GP practice or NHS 111.
Let me show you a plugin that's going to beautify your author box on WordPress. It's called Author C, and right now it's on a lifetime deal, so we gotta check it out. So let's jump over to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is George, and this is Author C. Right now it's on a lifetime deal, and it starts off at $39. Now I think the limits that they provide you for the $39 are actually worth checking out. Now don't forget that there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so in case you don't like it, just go ahead and refund it. Now, in this case, the plan is tied to the Pro plan, so do consider that for the updates in the future. And this is what you're going to get for Tier 1, which is $39. You get 10 sites that you can install this plugin to, which I think is a good limit for what you're going to pay for. And you get all these features available, which I'm going to show you on this video. Plus, if you need more sites, there's Tier 2 and all the way up to 3 for 100 sites. So if you're an agency or plan to use this on several sites, Tier 3 would be the way to go, all right? So this is my Author C plugin. I already have it installed, and I'm actually using it here on this site for testing purposes. So instead of having a dull-looking author box, it's going to make it way better, and they have different layouts that we can change and check it out. So I'm going to show you that on this video. Now, before I show you the settings, let